Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to properly disinfect all of your barber tools using Barbicide. So Barbicide is a hospital disinfectant. It kills germs, fungi, and viruses. This is what barbers really use to, properly disinfect all of their tools. So I already have my water measured out in our Barbicide jar here, which is 32 ounces of water. And then what we will do is use 2 ounces of the Barbicide disinfectant solution, which I have measured out in our little measuring cup, like so. And we will put it in our Barbicide jar and mix it with the water. And then you just mix the water and the Barbicide solution. And it should be a nice blue little tint. So before putting all of our soiled tools in the Barbicide jar, we have to clean them and remove all debris, all hair, pomade, gel, whatever you see that's on there, and we have to just clean our tools. Right here, we're gonna put gloves on for this because everything is all dirty. So we're just gonna use our little cleaning brush right here, and we're gonna use soap and water to clean all of our tools. So let's start. And you just want to clean this to the best of your ability, removing all debris, hair, and excess junk that are on your tools. Try to get in between all the cracks and crevices. Just do it to the best of your ability. After you are done scrubbing all your tools down, just rinse them all off with water and make sure there's no leftover soap. With a fresh pair of gloves, we're going to take our clean barber tools and we are going to disinfect it inside the Barbicide jar. So just dump all your tools up in here, one by one. After putting all your tools in, you want to make sure it's all completely submerged, and once you put it all in, you're just going to let it sit for 10 minutes. And you want to be aware of what you're putting in here. Make sure that you're only putting your plastic combs, your guards, anything metal. You can't put any like brushes that have like the wooden stick because that will rot in there. And you can't put cotton, orange sticks, nail files, pumice stones, buffing blocks. Those are all like single-use items. And you want to make sure that you are changing your Barbicide mixture daily. While my tools were submerged in the Barbicide, I cleaned off this countertop and laid 2 towels, one to put my tools on and one to dry the tools. So now we're gonna rinse all the tools off, place them right here and dry them off, and we will be done. All we're gonna do now is just completely dry all of our tools. After completely drying all of your tools, now they have been properly cleaned and disinfected and ready for use on your next client. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you all. And if you got any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know. Stay safe, stay clean, stay sanitary.